Today I'm unboxing Abaddon the Despoiler statue from Wētā Workshop. It's a 1:6 scale statue and we will have a look inside it right now. Let's go. Okay, let's break this box open. Let's hope there's nothing about my address in there. Okay. Oh yes. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this is a nice box. A box inside a box. Okay. Let's open this up. Ooh. Another box. Okay. Let's get the knife. Let's see what's in there. I had a problem because there was some holes in the box from outside, but I don't think that went inside this one. So hopefully nothing is broken. But I think I have to pull this out like this, so yeah. Okay, I will turn this around and then we'll pop this out like this. I have to try to do this on my own now. Okay. Let's see. Right, let's try to get him out. That's a nice looking box right there. Nice. Look at this. It's awesome. Woo! Holy shit. Oh, there's no. Oh, there's stuff in this side too. Oh my god. Look at this. It's a very cool paint job on that. Blood and snow. Oh my god, it's really big. Alright, this is the base for Abaddon the Despoiler from Wētā Workshop. Look at this bad boy. And I will try to assemble this guy now. So we have the body in here. Okay, we start working like this. Okay, it's the wrong way around. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh my god. Alright, I think now it's in. Okay. Foam out of here. Okay, look at this thing. Oh my god. Awesome. Now I have to search for all of the bits. I don't think there's a building instruction in this, so I guess I have to sort this out myself. Okay, where's this? Okay, this one is for this side. Right here. It's magnetic too, but yeah, right there. The trophy rack though is supposed to go on there. I think the trophy rack he has is gonna go on first. What's this? No idea what this is. Okay. Next part. I don't know. This chain goes on the left side. Okay. Okay, I have to take this off again. Oh, nice. Okay. Think like this. Cool. What is this? Okay, a little cable. It's gonna go on there. Like this? No? Maybe not? No, maybe not. Oh, that's probably here. Yeah, this one. Yes. Okay, like this. That's for Talon of Horus. The ammunition is pretty cool too. Look at this. Okay, and what is this? This is the other armor belt, I guess. Yes. Two of them. From this side. And then I think I have to turn this thing around here. Okay, I think I can break it open now. Whew! Alright. Start with the trophy rack. Look at this. Okay. I think this one is supposed to go in first. Nice. That is cool. Okay. And then probably the cloak he has, the cape. Styrofoam. Okay, I have to get this thing out here. Okay. Styrofoam. Okay, and this is supposed to go. I think I have to take this off again. Yes. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, let's turn it around and see. Oh, that cloak is cool. Wow. Awesome. And this thing here, killed the Emperor, by the way. This one. Talon of Horus. So, that's glorious. Alright. Ah, is it magnetic? Yes. Look at this thing, it's amazing. Wow. Paint job is just really good. Look at the blood. It's probably still the blood of the Emperor, right? Am I right? Okay. Like this, magnetic too. That's pretty cool. Okay, there's this little power thing here. And there's a, I think it's like this, yeah. So there's a little tube going in. And that has to go, I'm sweating, look at me. That has to go inside of this, and then that feeds inside of the Talon of Horus, so I have to take the cloak out again and not break it in the process. Okay. So this one has to go here. Oh, nice. Okay. Yes. That's how it goes. Okay. Sounds a little bit wonky. Okay. And then the cloak has to go on top again. something, I think, did I break something off? One of the spikes broke off. Yeah, that's just sometimes what happens. The spike broke off, but you can hardly see it because it's under the cloak. So it's not too bad. Okay, so let's put the ammo belts on there. They are magnetic as well, which is pretty cool. And is this wrong? This is the right one, yeah. You can't put them the wrong way around, so this one is the second one. And they are magnetic as well, which is really nice. Look at this. Yes, okay. And now, I will turn him around again, carefully. And then we will assemble the shoulder pad, number 1. Okay. And then the second one. God, this is difficult. All right, nice. Okay, that's cool. And now, Dragnayen, demonic sword. This is so good. The paint job is amazing on this one. And the weathering and like the burnished gold, so good. This is like the incarnation of the first murder. Look at this. It looks the part too. Okay, this one is gonna go here. And I think I want to see that, what I'm doing. No? Yes, no, maybe? Okay, I'll go around. Okay, that's a struggle. No, why not? That's really difficult. Okay, look at this. Nice. Okay, and now the crown jewel, the end of the process, the famous top knot of the Warmaster. And that goes the same way as like this? No. No. Is it like this? So the parts are built in a way that they have a little bit of a notch here, so you cannot put them in the wrong way. So this one has the little notch here, so this one has to go like this. So if I would have seen that on all of the other parts, it would have made it much easier. But now, there we go. Learning on the last bit. And there you go, he's complete. Look at this beast. Oh my god. And the paint job on the face, you can see the little veins in his face and on his lips, the texture on the teeth. It's so crazy how crazy that good that paint job is. It's amazing. Wow. Cool. So Abaddon the Despoiler is fully assembled. The Warmaster in all his glory. From Wētā Workshop, it's a 1:6 scale miniature. Now we will have a look at the details and the final result of this statue. Alright, that was the statue unboxing of Abaddon the Despoiler from Wētā Workshop. See you next time. Goodbye.